Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Lamborghini Huracan versus Ferrari 458 Italia. We'll dive into the key differences and similarities between these two incredible Italian supercars. Get ready to explore their performance, design, and overall driving experience. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which one might be the better choice for you. Let's get started. When it comes to raw power, the Lamborghini Huracan typically offers around 602 horsepower from its naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine. This allows it to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 2.5 seconds. The Ferrari 458 Italia, with its 4.5-liter V8, produces 562 horsepower and achieves 0 to 60 in about 3.4 seconds. Both deliver incredible top speeds, over 200 miles per hour. Beyond the numbers, these cars offer distinct driving experiences. The Huracan's design is famously aggressive and angular, reflecting its bold Lamborghini heritage. It often comes with all-wheel drive, providing immense grip and confidence. The Ferrari 458 Italia, however, embodies a more elegant, flowing aesthetic. Its rear-wheel drive setup and high-revving V8 engine deliver a visceral, engaging, and purer driving sensation. Deciding between these two titans often comes down to personal preference. The Huracan offers cutting-edge performance and a more modern, aggressive stance. The 458 Italia provides a timeless design and a highly engaging, naturally aspirated V8 experience. Both are incredible machines that deliver immense driving pleasure. For more great deals and the link to those leak-proof meal prep containers, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.